My wife and I are going head to head, pack for pack with Prismatic Evolutions. 2 for her, 2 for me. Here's the money card. Here's some other great cards in the set. First pack, let's see.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
We spot an Umbreon. Great card, but we're looking for a Master Ball symbol in the bottom of the card. The Umbreon Master Ball goes for about 80 United States dollars. On to pack number 2. Stay tuned for part 2 to see how my packs went. Still no Master Ball symbol on this Vaporeon, but we will try to put this in a sleeve.
Nope. 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 Nope.